Right now, people with no coding background are making thousands of dollars a month using artificial intelligence, while most people still think AI is just a chatbot or a threat to their job. So the real question isn't will AI replace you? It's will you learn how to profit from it before everyone else does? Artificial intelligence isn't coming. It's already here, and it's changing how money is made. I'm not talking about Silicon Valley engineers or billion-dollar startups. I'm talking about everyday people using AI tools to automate work, create products, and generate income faster than ever before. In this video, I'm breaking down how to make money with artificial intelligence, why it's one of the biggest opportunities right now, and how you can start leveraging it in today's economy, not 5 years from now. Content creation and writing services. One of the fastest growing opportunities is using AI writing tools to offer content creation services. Businesses everywhere need blog posts, social media content, product descriptions, and email newsletters. With AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude, you can produce high-quality content much faster than traditional writing. You're not just copying what AI writes, you're using it as a powerful assistant to research, draft, and refine content that meets client needs. Many freelancers are charging between $50 to $200 per article, and you can easily handle multiple projects in a day. The key is learning how to write effective prompts and knowing how to edit AI output to match your client's voice and style. Start by creating sample articles in different niches, then offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or directly to small businesses in your area. AI-powered graphic design. Visual content is incredibly valuable, and AI image generators like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion have made professional-looking designs accessible to everyone. You don't need years of design experience anymore. You can create logos, social media graphics, book covers, marketing materials, and custom illustrations for clients. The trick is mastering prompt engineering to get exactly the style and look your clients want. Many designers are combining AI-generated elements with traditional editing tools like Canva or Photoshop to deliver unique, polished results. You can package your services as logo design for startups, social media content packages for influencers, or custom artwork for personal projects. Prices range from $25 for simple graphics to several hundred for complete branding packages. Build a portfolio showcasing different styles and industries, then market yourself on design platforms or social media. Video production and editing. Video content is booming, and AI is changing how it's made. Tools like Synthesia and DID create AI avatars, while AI editing software handles cuts, audio, subtitles, and transitions. You can offer video editing services, create faceless YouTube channels, make TikTok/Instagram content, or produce video ads for businesses. With AI doing the technical work, focus on storytelling, start small, build a portfolio, and raise your rates as you gain experience. Chatbot development and automation. Every business wants to improve customer service without hiring more staff, and that's where AI chatbots come in. You don't need to be a programmer to create functional chatbots anymore. Platforms like ManyChat, ChatFuel, and Zapier make it easy to build automated conversation flows for websites, Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp. You can help businesses automate their customer support, appointment bookings, lead generation, and sales funnels. Small businesses especially are willing to pay for someone who can set up these systems for them. Start by reaching out to local businesses like restaurants, dental offices, real estate agents, or online stores. Show them how a chatbot can save them time and increase their sales. You can charge setup fees ranging from $200 to $1,000, plus monthly maintenance retainers. As you gain experience, you can expand into more complex automation projects using tools like Make or custom API integrations. Online course creation. If you've learned how to use AI effectively, others want to learn from you. Creating and selling online courses about AI tools and techniques is a scalable income stream. You can teach people how to use ChatGPT for productivity, how to create AI art, how to automate their business, or how to make money with AI like you're doing. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad make it simple to host and sell your courses. Use AI itself to help you outline curriculum, write scripts, create supporting materials, and even generate practice exercises. Your course doesn't need Hollywood production value, just clear teaching and practical value. Price your courses anywhere from $20 to $200, depending on depth and target audience. Promote through social media, YouTube tutorials, and email marketing. Once your course is created, it generates passive income as people continue to purchase it. You can also offer coaching or community access as premium add-ons for higher-tier pricing. Data analysis and business insights. Businesses are drowning in data but starving for insights. AI-powered analytics tools can process massive amounts of information and identify patterns that humans might miss. If you learn to use tools like AI-enhanced spreadsheet analysis, predictive modeling platforms, or business intelligence software, you can offer valuable consulting services. Help companies understand their customer behavior, optimize their pricing, forecast sales, or identify market opportunities. You don't need to be a data scientist. You just need to understand business problems and know how to ask AI tools the right questions. Start by offering to analyze a business's existing data for free as a case study. Then use those results to attract paying clients. Many small and medium businesses will pay consulting fees ranging from $500 to several $1,000s for actionable insights that help them make better decisions. This service works particularly well for e-commerce stores, marketing agencies, and service-based businesses looking to grow. AI-assisted software development. AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT have dramatically lowered the barrier to software development. Even if you're not a professional programmer, you can now build functional websites, apps, and tools with AI guidance. Small businesses need simple web applications, custom tools, or website improvements, and they're willing to pay for these services. You can offer website development, create custom calculators or tools for specific industries, build automation scripts, or develop simple mobile apps. The key is understanding what the client needs and using AI to help you write and debug the code. Start with no-code or low-code platforms combined with AI assistance. Then gradually expand your technical skills. Charge based on project complexity, typically starting from $500 for simple websites up to several thousand for more complex applications. Focus on solving real business problems rather than showing off technical skills, and your clients will keep coming back. AI doesn't reward the smartest people. It rewards the people who take action early. The opportunities are already here, and the gap between those who use AI and those who ignore it is only getting wider. If you take anything from this video, let it be this: you don't need to be technical, you just need to be intentional. Like the video, subscribe, and share this with someone who's still sleeping on AI. Until next time, stay curious, stay adaptable, and learn how to make technology work for you.